Brisbane, the sunny capital of Queensland, is a vibrant city that perfectly blends urban life with natural beauty. Set along the scenic Brisbane River, the city offers something for everyone, from backpackers and students to families and luxury travelers. You can enjoy riverfront walks at South Bank, explore modern art at Kigoma, or relax at the man-made streets beach right in the city center. Food lovers can indulge in everything from street eats at local markets to fine dining along Eagle Street Pier. Accommodation ranges from affordable hostels in Fortitude Valley to high-end hotels like W Brisbane with stunning river views. And when it's time to explore beyond the city, Brisbane serves as the perfect gateway to places like Moreton Island, the Gold Coast, and the Sunshine Coast. Whether you're chasing adventure, cultural experiences, or just want to enjoy a laid-back Aussie lifestyle, Brisbane never disappoints. With easy public transport, a lively shopping scene, and year-round sunshine, it's easy to see why so many people fall in love with this city. If you're planning a next trip, make sure Brisbane is on your list. It truly has it all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel stories and destination guides. Where to stay in Brisbane? Comfortable, affordable, and luxurious, Brisbane offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit all kinds of travelers, whether you're on a tight budget or looking to splurge. If you're a backpacker or traveling solo, neighborhoods like Fortitude Valley and Spring Hill have some great hostels such as Bunk Brisbane and City Backpackers HQ, which offer affordable beds, social events, and vibrant atmospheres. For those seeking mid-range comfort, places like the Hotel Grand Chancellor and the Point Brisbane provide well-furnished rooms with amenities like pools, gyms, and river views, perfect for families or business travelers. If luxury is what you're after, the W Brisbane in the heart of the city offers riverside indulgence with spa services and fine dining, while the Emporium Hotel South Bank features rooftop pools, elegant interiors, and stunning city views. Popular areas to stay include South Bank, Brisbane CBD, and Kangaroo Point, all of which are close to major attractions, restaurants, and transport options. Top places to eat. From local delights to international flavors, food lovers will find themselves spoiled for choice in Brisbane, which has a vibrant and diverse food scene. South Bank is a favorite spot, packed with riverside restaurants and casual cafes. You can enjoy delicious meals at the Jetty or experience high-end Australian cuisine at Stokehouse Q, all while taking in beautiful views of the Brisbane River. On weekends, the South Bank collective markets come alive with food stalls serving global street eats. Fortitude Valley, known for its energetic nightlife, also boasts incredible dining options, such as Happy Boy for authentic Chinese cuisine and Long Time for flavorful Thai dishes in a trendy setting. In the heart of the CBD, you'll find quick eats like burgers at Grilled or breakfast at Coffee Anthology, while those looking for fine dining could try Auto Ristorante, which offers Italian dishes with views of the iconic Story Bridge. When in Brisbane, don't miss local specialties like Moreton Bay Bugs, a unique seafood delicacy, along with Australian lamb, fresh oysters, and sweet treats like lamingtons or pavlova. Places to visit. Brisbane's must-see attractions. Brisbane offers a rich blend of natural beauty, cultural landmarks, and fun-filled attractions. One of the city's most iconic spots is South Bank Parklands, a family-friendly riverside area featuring Streets Beach, Australia's only inner-city, man-made beach, along with gardens, playgrounds, and the impressive Wheel of Brisbane offering 360-degree views. The City Botanic Gardens provide a peaceful escape, perfect for morning walks or evening picnics. For thrill seekers, the Story Bridge Adventure Climb delivers an unforgettable experience with panoramic views over the city and beyond. A river cruise on the Brisbane River is another must-do, and the City Cat Ferry service is a budget-friendly way to explore the city from the water. Art and culture lovers should visit Kigoma, the Queensland Art Gallery and Gallery of Modern Art. where you'll find a rich collection of indigenous, contemporary, and international art. Just outside the city, lone Pine Koala Sanctuary offers a unique opportunity to cuddle a koala, feed kangaroos, and meet native Australian wildlife, making it a hit with visitors of all ages. Shopping in Brisbane, local finds and major brands. For those who enjoy shopping, Brisbane has something for every taste and budget. Queen Street Mall in the heart of the CBD is the city's main shopping district, offering hundreds of stores, international brands, and boutique shops. It's a pedestrian-friendly zone perfect for an afternoon of retail therapy. If you're looking for designer fashion and gourmet food, head to James Street in Fortitude Valley, a stylish hub filled with luxury brands, cafes, and galleries. On weekends, Davies Park Market in West End is a great place to explore local life, offering everything from fresh produce and organic goods to handmade crafts and delicious street food. Whether you're after souvenirs, fashion, or fresh eats, Brisbane's shopping scene won't disappoint. Transport in Brisbane. Easy to navigate. Getting around Brisbane is easy, thanks to its well-organized public transport system. The TransLink network includes buses, trains, and ferries, all accessible using the convenient Go card, a smart travel car that saves money and makes hopping between services easy. For short distances or sightseeing, Brisbane offers city cycle bikes and electric scooters from providers like Beam and Neuron, which can be rented with a smartphone. Areas like the CBD, South Bank, and Fortitude Valley are pedestrian-friendly, making it easy to explore on foot. Public transport in Brisbane is not only efficient, but also scenic, especially when you hop aboard a city cat ferry along the Brisbane River. Best time to visit. Brisbane enjoys a subtropical climate, making it a pleasant destination all year round. Spring, from September to November, offers warm days and cool nights, perfect for exploring outdoor attractions. Summer, from December to February, can be hot and humid, with afternoon rain showers, but it's great for beach lovers and festival goers. Autumn, from March to May, brings mild temperatures and fewer crowds, ideal for sightseeing. Winter, from June to August, is dry and sunny, with cool evenings, making it the perfect time for hiking, exploring, and enjoying Brisbane's cultural events. No matter when you visit, the city's laid-back charm and outdoor lifestyle are sure to win you over. Brisbane is calling. Brisbane is more than just another stop on your Australian adventure. It's a city full of vibrant energy, welcoming people, and experiences that leave a lasting impression. From luxurious stays and unforgettable meals to riverfront fun and day trips to islands or mountains, Brisbane combines the best of urban and nature in one sun-drenched package. So whether you're here to explore, relax, or indulge, Brisbane is ready to offer you memories that last a lifetime. Pack your bags, charge your camera, and get ready to discover why Brisbane is one of Australia's most exciting and beloved cities.